Hello viewers, I am Maitli. Today we are going to see 12th Cbse Maths Relations and Functions exercise 1.1. In that question number 1, fourth sum, let's see the question. Determine whether each of the following relations are reflexive, symmetric and transitive. So we are going to prove all the three, whether we are having the relation as reflexive, symmetric and transitive. In the question it's given as relation R in the set Z. Z means integer of all the integers defined at. So given that set is equal to Z. And relation equal to x comma y, x minus y. The first one minus the second one is an integer. So first one minus second one, we get an answer of integer. Integer means we know that it is from minus infinity 1. It's all the negative numbers and the positive numbers on the number line. Like that it goes. These are integers. Now let us start with the reflexive. X comma y belongs to R, imply x minus y is an integer, or if x minus y is an integer. Now we'll start with the reflexive. We know that x minus x is equal to 0. Now when we subtract the same number, we get 0. So according to the condition, we know that a comma a belongs to R. Here x comma x is equal to 0. That means it's an integer. 0 is an integer. So we can say that x comma x belongs to R for x is an integer. If x is an integer, when we subtract the integer, we know that it is 0 and it is an integer, belongs to R. Therefore, R is reflexive. Now let's go with symmetric. Symmetric, the condition is a comma b. If a comma b belongs to R, then b comma a, or imply b comma a belongs to R. This is the condition for symmetric. Here, given that x comma y belongs to R, we know that x minus y is equal to an integer, and also we know that y minus x, y comma x also belongs to R, because we know that if x minus y is an integer, then we know that y minus x is also integer. We can take the minus sign common outside. X minus y is an integer. Therefore, R is symmetric. So we have proved the given relation is symmetric. Now we need to prove for transitive. Now for transitive, we know that let x comma y belongs to R and y comma z belongs to R. That means in this two condition, we know that x minus y is equal to an integer. Same way, y minus z is also is equal to an integer. Let us take the sum of the two integers here. Sum, or adding 1 and 2. Adding 1 and 2, we get x minus y plus z. I am adding the LHS is equal to, we know that integer plus integer will be an integer. Now, adding means there is no change in the sign. Here this 2 get cancelled. Now we have x minus z, which is nothing but an integer, therefore we can say that therefore x comma z belongs to R because x minus z is an integer, therefore R is transitive. From this we can directly say that R is transitive. That's all with the sum. Thank you.